everyone. I'm your host here, Tori Toth. Super excited. I got a big package today and I'm eager to get it together, and I thought I'd do it here on this video with you, but I think it's gonna take me some time because I'm doing it myself. But in the meantime, I'd love to know from you, what was the last piece of furniture you've purchased or accessory you've purchased for your home? And also let us know where it came from. I finally splurged and I got myself my media center that I wanted. It actually has a fireplace in it, and I will show it to you here. So it's like a 60-inch fireplace. You see that? 60-inch media center, I should say. Glass on the outside, and then what I loved about this piece was that the fireplace actually came out a little bit past the media center. So no matter if you were sitting on the right side or the left side of it or in the center, you'd be able to still see that, flame. Obviously it's not real, it's electric, but I'm hoping that it actually has a good quality to it. This is from Twin Star Home, and it is this model number here. So when you do see it and you like it, you can come back and just copy that model number. I got it on sale. I also got it on discount because of my wholesale pricing. And I got it from Wayfair. It was supposed to arrive today and it arrived yesterday. The one thing I did not like about Wayfair though is that, come on, you guys literally dropped this huge thing in front of my door and you couldn't just knock on the door and see if you could bring it in. I chose this gray type finish. It's a little gray and tan. It's a little bit of the contrast of my floor, but you can see the gray parts of my floor actually pick this up fairly nicely. That's why I decided to choose something that kind of blended in together and it wasn't so dark, because I don't know about you guys, but for me, the TV that's gonna go up here on the wall, right next to it, that's already black. That's a black hole seeping into that wall, and then to have a dark entertainment center underneath it, it makes the whole entire room look a little bit darker. Sometimes it works in rooms, but in this case, in my house, it would not work, and so that's why I chose this neutrally gray, beige, I'm gonna call it grayish, color. It's got 30 steps, including you attaching it to the wall, which in my case, I will not be doing. I did actually think this was gonna be a little bit bigger. It's about 60 inches wide, but I can't wait to show you what it looks like. So it looks pretty good. It looks like it's just, obviously, it's just lighting. I don't know, the wood looks a little too fake for me, but who is gonna be this close to my fireplace part of it? And then I also did like that they had the herringbone, kind of like faux paper back there as well. So that's like a little nice touch. And I also like that it does, like I said, it comes out from the media center essentially. So no matter if you're sitting on this either side or right directly in front of it, you basically get to see the fireplace. Anyway, I was debating whether or not I wanted glass cabinets on either side of this thing, because number one, I don't like to have clutter on display. And number two, what do you put in these glass cabinets? You really